Let's start with car expenses. Unfortunately, you can't write off the cost of your regular commute to work, even if you have a long drive or work non-traditional hours like weekends or early mornings. It's just not considered a deductible expense. However, there are still plenty of other expenses you may be able to claim on your taxes, so make sure to keep track of those receipts. If you drive your own car for work-related purposes, you may be eligible to claim the expenses. One example is when you need to travel between different jobs on the same day. For instance, if you work at a factory in the morning and then as a bar assistant later in the day, you can claim the costs of driving between these two jobs. Another example is when you have to go to a different work location for the same employer on the same day. For instance, if you need to drive from the warehouse to a job site, you can also claim those expenses. Make sure to keep track of your mileage and any other related expenses in order to claim them accurately. Hey there! So, if you have to carry around big, bulky tools or equipment for your job, you might be able to claim a tax deduction for the cost of traveling between your home and work. This is only if a few conditions are met. First, the tools or equipment you're carrying are necessary for you to do your job, and you're not just carrying them around for fun. Second, these tools or equipment are big and bulky, making them difficult to transport easily. If these criteria are met, you may be able to deduct the travel costs associated with carrying around these essential items for work. Just something to keep in mind when tax time rolls around. If you're looking to claim car expenses on your taxes, there are two ways to do it: the logbook method or the cents per kilometer method. With the logbook method, you'll need to keep a valid logbook to track the percentage of work-related use of your car, along with providing written evidence of your car expenses. If you opt for the cents per kilometer method, you'll need to prove how you calculated your work-related kilometers and show that those kilometers were indeed work-related. Make sure to choose the method that works best for you and keep all necessary documentation handy in case of an audit.